What's up guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use AI to create a YouTube thumbnail for free using Gemini. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Gemini, then sign in with your Google account. Next, type a prompt describing the thumbnail you want. For an example, let's type create a professional YouTube thumbnail for an AI tutorial with a futuristic blue background, a person pointing at a laptop, dramatic lighting, and space for bold title text. After entering your prompt, click generate and wait a few moments while Gemini creates your thumbnail. Once the image is ready, download it to your computer. If you'd like to add your own title or make more adjustments, open Canva, create a new YouTube thumbnail design, and upload the image you downloaded. You can then add text, resize the image, or customize it however you like. When you're finished, click share, then download to save your final thumbnail. And that's it. That's how you can use AI to create a professional YouTube thumbnail for free using Gemini and Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!